So what did you see, Maricon? There in the end, in your stillness? Was there music? Were there wildflowers? Could you smell the bridges we didn't know we burned, blind, deaf, and dumb by the riverside? Is that what love is? Morphine? Oblivion?
So I'm here for the money shot, you know, I'm here for the action. I have come to Baghdad for one purpose, and one purpose only, action. I want combat photography. Now, when I got here, Dan Pepper was supposed to set me up with a fixer. When do I meet him? What exactly is that?
I am your fixer and your translator at the same time.
You? Isn't there a problem with you being a woman?
Before that, I need to tell you something.
What?
You will die here. You will die here.
How do you know that?
Dreams.
Where'd you go, lover? You went and died in the desert. Do you know what they sent back? Your arms. That's it. You're lucky.
Gracie. Gracie. Grace. Help me wash my hands.
Where is the rest of the world when you lose yourself that hard in someone?